In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up payments for your business and simplify your client invoicing through our text to pay feature. Now, the first thing that you're going to need to do is have a Stripe account. So if you go to stripe.com, you'll be able to create your own Stripe account, which is a payment processor that allows you to collect payments from all of your clients. Once you have your own Stripe account, what you'll then want to do is connect your Stripe account to the software. You can do that from the Launchpad by clicking on Connect over here from your Stripe account, or by clicking on Payments and then click on Integrations, and then you'll just click Connect with Stripe. This will take you through the Stripe connection process where you'll just select your Stripe account, click on Connect, and the system will automatically connect with your Stripe account. From here, we can simplify your client invoicing and even send an invoice via text. We can do that by clicking on Conversations, and we can either create a new conversation, or from within an existing conversation, we can click on this little money icon of request payment, click on this, and then from here it says invoices are sent over emails as well as text. Please enter an email address, John. So you can either enter the email address or click continue without email, give the item a name, give the item a price, and then it'll create an invoice number and you can select an invoice due date. So let's say this is due the 31st, and you can even create a link expiration or say the link does not expire. Now, all you have to do is click save. It'll automatically create an invoicing link that you can send via text. Once we click send, now your client can go through and click on this link, and it will pull up a page where they will go through and input all of their payment details. And that is how you can simplify your client invoicing and easily collect payments via text with our software.